y'all, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing a twist out on my natural hair. If you guys don't know, my hair is a lot shorter. So my twist out will be a little bit different. And of course, I want to go ahead and record it and just show you guys the results and kind of walk you guys through exactly how I achieved my twist out. So these are my curls. They are freshly washed and they have been air drying for a couple of hours. So my curls are lightly damp. They are like barely wet now. So I'll definitely have to spray some water to get them to kind of like pop again and to make sure the twist actually set. But for now, this is what we are working with. Yeah, it's pretty dry. So first things first, like I always like to do for my twist outs, is to go ahead and just section off a smaller section of hair because it is so much easier to work with. So this is our small section of hair. And of course, I want to first go ahead and spray some water. So I'm using this mist water bottle. I just got this from Sally's like a couple of weeks ago. And when I tell y'all this is life-changing, like I have never had a bottle spray water so perfectly on my hair. Like it's like relaxing. And just the way it comes out the bottle, y'all, like, do y'all hear that? It kind of hits all different angles. So my hair is just like evenly saturated with water. So my hair is now actually pretty wet. And so first I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner all over this section of hair. So I'll be using the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. If you guys have never tried this leave-in conditioner, you are missing out on life. Like legit missing out on life, because this stuff is so moisturizing and it smells so good. I'm just going in and kind of like raking that product through and smoothing it into my hair, because you guys know the leave-in is probably the most important part. Like it's the part that really sets the foundation and really helps to moisturize your hair. So if your hair isn't really covered in leave-in conditioner, or if your leave-in conditioner isn't that moisturizing, you're bound to have like dry hair at some point or another. So I love to make sure I'm using a very hydrating moisturizer and just making sure I really saturate the hair. Now I'm going to section off a smaller section of hair. So I just use my fingers because I feel like my hair kind of like blends together at the end whenever I use my fingers to separate my sections. So I'll do the exact same thing today. Get my handy dandy clip and just clip the rest of that section away. So here is that small section of hair. Next, I'm going to go in with my curl smoothie from the same collection, the Pomegranate and Honey collection. I just have like 1 to 2 pumps of the curl smoothie in my hand, and I will just kind of rub that in and then smooth it onto that smaller section of hair. I'm gonna get a little bit more of the curl smoothie and apply it directly to the ends of my hair, just to make sure the ends aren't forgotten. And then last but not least, we want to go ahead and apply our styler. So today I'll be using the Mielle Organics Twisting Souffle. This stuff is amazing as well, and it's a pretty thick cream. If y'all can see that, it's pretty thick. Gonna take a little bit, or not a little bit, but like this much of the Twisting Souffle. Y'all can see that. There we go. And just smooth it onto that section of hair as well. I'm gonna take my handy dandy Denman brush and just smooth the hair. And this part, y'all, I really feel like gives like that extra oomph when it comes to definition. So here's our section, and it's nice and smooth, as y'all can see. The last part is to go ahead and just start twisting it. So of course, I just take this section of hair, separate it into 2 evenly sized, this keywords there, you guys, evenly sized pieces, and then begin to start 2-strand twisting. So I'm just twisting the sections around each other, twist, 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 twist. And then if I feel a section starting to get a little bit like tangled, I'll go ahead and take my denim brush again and kind of smooth it out there. So that way the twist out is smooth from root to tip. And once I do that, I just twirl, and there you go. Bump it up a little bit, and there you have the first twist. So I went ahead and finished the rest of my twist off camera, and this is how my hair is looking. I'm not sure exactly how many twists I have in my hair, but I tried to keep them kind of like small to medium size. So that's why I have a good amount of twists installed in my hair. And of course, the more twists, the more definition. So this is more of an up close shot of my twist. I love how they feel, y'all. They feel so soft. Lastly, I'm gonna take this t-shirt and just go over my twist to make sure I get rid of any excess product or any excess water. This will help the twist dry faster overnight. Whenever I have too much product on my twist, it just takes a very, very, very long time to dry, and no one has time for all that. So I'm just taking my t-shirt and kind of just dabbing over each twist just to make sure there is no excess product left, especially towards the root. All right, so it should be good to go. Now I'm just going to let my hair air dry overnight, and I will talk to you guys in the morning whenever my hair is dry and ready to be taken down. Hey y'all, so it is now the next morning. It is time to take down my twist. I even went ahead and sat under a dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure that my hair was 100% dry, because I didn't want to take any chances at all and then start twisting my hair and my hair still be damp. Like, that's like number one rule, is to just not take your twist out until your hair is 100% dry. So I felt around. My hair feels super dry now. Well, not super dry, but dry as in like it not being wet. And I take down my twist. I just apply a little bit of this oil. It's the Miele Organics Mint Almond Oil. I use this to take down all of my twists and braids because it just makes my hair a lot more shinier, and it helps to reduce frizz. So I'll just go ahead and apply a couple of dots to my hand, smooth it in. Then I like to kind of just smooth it all over my twist, just in a very like non-neat way. So I do that just to make sure initially that all my twists have some kind of oil on it. And then I begin to start unraveling each twist slowly, very slowly and carefully. I usually start towards the end. So for example, right here, I'll start like towards the end and then begin to start unraveling from there. And that'll help to prevent any like tangles and things like that. So you guys can see exactly how defined my twists are. Like, there is a ton of definition. going on right here. A lot of shrinkage, but a lot of definition. So now, of course, since our hair is untwisted, we want to go in and start separating our twist because we can't walk out the house like this. So I'm going to take a little bit more of my mint almond oil and apply it to my hands. If you ever start to feel your hands like not having any oil on them, go ahead and apply more oil because I promise y'all it makes a huge difference and it really helps to prevent frizz. Now I'm just going to go in and start separating, and I just feel for like where the hair is naturally separating. I don't force any areas to separate. I just kind of feel in and just kind of see where the hair is naturally like separating on its own. This is the result of my twist out. I love it so much because it's a lot more stretched out than my typical wash and goes, but it's a good thing. And I just love like how big my hair is. It's so big, but my curls are super duper defined. Like it's just, I'm not used to it because I hadn't really tried a really good twist out on my new color and cut yet, but I think I'm sold, y'all. I think I'm sold. So yeah, this is my cut in a little bit more of a stretch state. You guys can get like the side profile here. It is so big. I can't even like, y'all, I can't even handle how big it is. And here is a close-up of my curls as well. Here is the back of my hair. So yeah, y'all, that's my twist out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve these curls. I hope it was helpful and you guys got at least something out of it. Of course, I will leave all the products that I use in the info box down below, so go ahead and check that out. If you guys did enjoy today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys.